So to remove the battery from a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder, first thing you want to do, because if you're in New England, one, the salt and everything is going to come up and these bolts are going to be rusty. So you spray a little bit of WD-40 on it. Boom, 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 boom. Well, I didn't put it on the battery terminal ones because I didn't. But everything is a 10 millimeter. So you can either use something like this, but you're going to definitely need a deep socket 10 so you can remove all these, like the one that's holding the battery tie down. So yeah. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a second. All right, so once you remove these two bolts, you loosen this one. It's also a 10. Then you lift it over like that. Boom. That releases the battery from its tie down. Then you can take off the negative and the positive terminal. Okay, so one thing about the negative and the positive terminals, you don't take the bolt out all the way with the nut. You just loosen it and then you move the terminal around a bit, and then it's going to loosen itself enough so you can lift it off. Like for example, with the negative terminal, boom, you don't take it all the way out. You just do that, and then you find a safe space to tuck it. It's gonna tuck somewhere, like boom, right there. Boom. And if you have the original battery, which we did, for some odd reason they took the handle off, so it's very, very hard to lift out if you have big hands like I do. But it's nothing you can't do. Just jiggle it around a bit, make sure the positive and negative terminal are not like getting caught on it, because that's what was happening. Usually if you have the handle, you just lift it like that and it can come straight out, but instead you have to put your hand back here, which is kind of painful, and right here, which this thing is in the way. And yeah, maintaining things on this car should be easy by how massive the vehicle and by how small the engine is, but that's definitely not the case, because the design on this thing is just definitely not great. But I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes once I go to put the new battery in. Boom, then you drop the battery in and do everything the opposite way. So actually, probably want to clean off the terminals first, but yeah, put everything back the opposite way, then you're all set. And that's how you change the battery on a 2016 Pathfinder. Pretty easy, but kind of annoying. Boom, and there we go. Let's start the car now. Also, if you want to know how to do the brakes on a 2016 Pathfinder, it's not the best video, but I'll definitely show you how to do it. I'll put the link in the description and possibly even a card somewhere at the top of the screen right here. But boom, and there we go. Starts up like brand new.